Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can get the Nano Banana API key. In order to do so, here we are at aistudio.google.com, and to give us some help with this, we used Cider AI. Cider is a fantastic extension for your browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models and get the answers you're looking for. So if you need some assistance going through the steps, highly recommend using Cider. Cider brings us here to aistudio.google.com, and here on the left-hand side on the bottom, you can see here where it says Get API Key. We're going to click on that. That's going to bring us to this page here, and you can see up at the top where you can create a new API key, name your key, and you can choose an imported project if you have one. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Cider is a fantastic extension that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models. Click on our link there to get started. Also, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.